think Santa has been here. I think he bought some stuff for you and for Alex. See? Do you see? Oh, wow. Santa was here, Katie. He must have heard you ask. He heard you ask for that. Is that the best? Oh, honey. And look at, he even ate his cracker and he left a note for you. Wow. Hey, Al. Oh, Katie. Hey. That is cool. You want to come and
turn it.
Okay, you want to take it out and put it in the wall? Pretty cool. Toodaloo, Magoo. Whoa, good breaking. Give it a turn and go all the way through the dining room. Here, watching you while driving, remember? Good girl, keep going. You gotta get too close to the wall. Oh, you got it. You got it, honey. Alex, cute. Oh, Alex, perfect. Here, look how cute, Alex. Very great, Alex. Oh, beautiful, Alex. Well done. Yeah, great. That's so fun. I like that, Alex. Yes, isn't that fun?
I got a little basket for Dookie.
You got a basket for Duke? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wait, we're going against the thing. Just push the little sliders up, the dimmers. What's your little piano, buddy?
We have my own piano.
At home.
Yeah,
I think that Santa brought Alex his own piano so that he wouldn't play with yours. That's what I'm thinking. That way he won't be bothering you.
What do you think, Kate? How do you like this bicycle?
Is it just what you were thinking Santa might bring you?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
See, I told you I didn't think I was going to be greedy.
No, you weren't greedy. You weren't greedy at all, honey. You were a good girl, and Santa was happy to bring you.
Smokes!
He was happy to bring you.
What
back.
happened here?
Santa came.
Did Santa show?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Santa, where's Papa?
Holy mackerel! Mike! You're kidding! You're kidding! Is this yours? It is.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow,
That's great. You, buddy. Oh, Al, remember?
All right.